Have you ever noticed how some people eat lots of junk food and sugary drinks but still have really strong arms? Maybe it's just lucky genes. But then there's you, always eating healthy and living a good lifestyle but still struggling to do a single pull-up. Don't worry, you're not alone. Actually, 80% of adults can't do pull-ups, so it's a normal thing, but I know you don't need to be a normal. Therefore, I got a solution for you, and I think you're gonna love it. So stick with me till the end of the video. Let's start the video. First thing you need to know is that strong core is very important, not only for good posture or body balance, but also for pull-ups. So you make sure your core must be strong first, and it will definitely help you in your pull-ups journey. Now, question is this: how we can make our core strong? It's very simple. You can do plank exercises, which includes kneeling plank, kneeling side plank, regular plank, decline plank, and side plank. Keep in mind you have to do each plank for 60 seconds. Next thing you can do are the assisted pull-up exercises. In this you can try kneeling lat pull-downs, which enhance core activation, improving overall stability and balance while effectively targeting the lats, biceps, and upper back muscles. This exercise helps build the necessary strength for pull-ups, promotes better posture, and reduces lower back strain. It's versatile and adaptable, suitable for various fitness levels and environments. The second thing in the assisted pull-up exercises is dead hangs. You just need to hang from a pull-up bar for as long as possible using a pronated grip. Aim for 3 sets of hangs, working up to at least 40 seconds per set. Progress to scapular pull-ups once you can hang for longer than 40 seconds. Next exercise is eccentric pull-ups. Eccentric pull-ups build strength by focusing on the controlled lowering phase, which enhances muscle activation and endurance in the lats, biceps, and upper back. They improve muscle control and help bridge the gap for those unable to perform full pull-ups. This exercise also promotes better joint stability and reduces the risk of injury. Use a bench to step up and get your chin above the bar. Lower yourself as slowly as possible. Aim for 3 to 4 seconds. Perform these twice a week, aiming to increase the total number of reps each week. Now you are near to your goal. You just need to keep patience and be consistent. Band-assisted pull-ups will also help you to achieve your goal. Band-assisted pull-ups provide adjustable support to help you build the strength needed for unassisted pull-ups, making them ideal for beginners. They allow for proper form and full range of motion, ensuring effective muscle engagement in the lats, biceps, and upper back. Additionally, they help improve grip strength and overall confidence in performing pull-ups. Now I have a question to you. Are only exercises important? Of course not. There are some tips that are same important as exercises itself. To achieve optimal results in your pull-up training, it's crucial to incorporate several key practices. Ensure adequate rest between sets, ideally 2 to 3 minutes, to maintain peak performance and allow your muscles to recover sufficiently. Consistency is vital. Stick to your routine and progressively increase the difficulty to continue challenging your muscles. Support your training efforts with a proper diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to build muscle and strength effectively. I have already made a video of foods that can help you in your pull-ups journey, link in the description. Finally, the most important is to focus on maintaining good form during each exercise to prevent injuries and maximize the effectiveness of your workouts, ensuring steady progress and long-term success. If you find our content valuable, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.